Hi chat, welcome to the stream. I think we are started, right? Yes, we have started the stream now. Let me check. Hi chat, welcome to the stream. I think we are started, right? Yes, we have started the stream now. Let me check. Hi chat, welcome to the. Yes, we are live. The chat is set and the live chat is properly working now. Yes. Hi Sahana, welcome to the stream. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಗ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಗ. By the way, welcome to the stream. Please consider subscribing Dental Diaries. Thank you, sir. You are doing great. Energy is increasing day by day. Thank you. Please come and increase our energy like this for every stream that we do every day. Oh, already subscribed, sir. So only I got oh, yeah, I forgot you subscribed, right? I'm not getting any notification from your side. By the way, chat, if anybody is watching Dental Diaries, she is my friend. She is my best friend. You will get sooner. About what? Okay, notification. I got it. You are talking about notification. Yes. Yeah, I got it. Be till the end of the stream. Okay. So yesterday we solved till question number 6. We tried to solve question number 7 and we were unable to solve it. No, we ended the stream early because my battery went down of my mobile. So we will solve this, and also we will try to finish 3 questions, which is 7, 8 and 9. We will try to finish all 3. Okay, continue. I am having university exams. Bye, all the best. The topper should not tell like this. When you have read everything, you should tell it as a revision, right? You should not tell like I have to read and all. It's like a revision for you. By the way, all the best. When you know you are coming first, then why you should read, right? Okay, we were okay. We were solving this question. My stream ended early yesterday, so we will try to solve this question now. Give a string x of length n and a string s of length m consisting of lowercase Latin letters. You can only apply any number of. So chat, are you able to see the question right? I did not decrease. Wait. X of length n. I used to still decrease my. Okay, I think this is perfect. And a string s of length m consisting of lowercase Latin letters. You can only write. I did not decrease. Wait. X of. Yes, I think it's working properly. We will just given a string x of length n and string s of length m. By the way, chat, today I've already solved one problem. Before solving this question, I have already solved one question. uh, I will show it afterwards. Given a string x of length n and string s of length m consisting of lowercase Latin letters. Okay, there is given a string x of length n and string s of length m of lowercase Latin letters. You can apply any number of operation to string x. In one operation, you append the current value of x. In one operation, you append current value of x to the end of string. Little you zoom now, question is not properly visible. Is it okay? Is this okay? Should I increase more? Wait, if you are saying, then I'll increase again. I hope this is, yeah, now okay. This is okay. This is correct. Given a string x of length n and string s of length m. Okay, then you can apply any number of operations to string x. In one operation, you append the current value of x to the end of a string x. Let me see first input and output if I can get. One operation, you append the current value. Okay, there is a string x of length n. Okay, a string is length m. There are two strings. The first string is x of length n, and the second one, what we have to check is operation. You append the current value of x to the end of string x. Note that the value of x will change after this. Okay, for example, x is equals to aba, then after applying the operation, okay, we have to apply x to the x, then x will upgrade aba, then this aba will be added again. After what minimum number of operations, s will appear in x. S will appear in, what will come first then, s or x? Okay, s will come after x is given. After what minimum number of operation, s will appear in x as a substring, a of string, then a substring of string is defined as continuous segment of it. Okay, chat, what we will do is, after how many iteration, So first we will see how the input is given. The first is number of test cases, and the second one, and the uh, second one is n and m, contains two numbers n and m. Okay, the length of strings x. First, where it is, first we have, like, we are given just a, we are given just a, right? We are given just a. Then we have to check after how many iteration we will get a, 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 a. So what we'll do is, in first it will be a, in second it will be double a, in third it will be 4a, and in, this is first iteration, this is second iteration, and this is third iteration. 4 times and 4, 8a will come, right? 4 and 4 and 4. So we can easily get 5 of this. So in 3 iteration we got it. Okay, we can write a code for it. Then we will check for the second one is, the second input is E F O R C E. Just holds for them. E F O R C E, right? First we can write it as E F O R C E, and again I can write it as, what is the code here? This is A. No, wait one second. This is A. If I double it, then it will be E F O R C E. What he's asking is, I'll get, okay, this is not there, right? This is not there. This is not there. Only this much is there. This much is there. Okay, if I add this O R C E, in just one iteration, I think we got it. In just one iteration. Yes, in just one iteration we got it. Okay, then we will code directly for it. RSC in for int I equals 0, I less than a, I plus plus. String b is e1, and we will take string b as input, and string c is given, we will take input for string c, and we will run a loop for now. While we will run a loop, like we will apply while loop for it. while 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 what I will do is I'll apply a loop now, but after this ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಾತನ ಇದೆ what I will do is I'll apply a loop here which contains, if this string contains the previous, if string C contains, no, if string B contains C, then I will just break it while true. For every iteration, what I'll do is I will double B, B equals B plus B, right? And I will check that if B for checking, there is something, there is a function inside to check whether it is inside B, like find of, wait, let's check. We'll just consider it as if find of C there is a function which I am forgetting. I can run this in Python in within second, but there is a function which I practiced today morning, but I am forgetting it. 1 second, I'll ask that. There was a function here to finding a series of elements. Wait. There is a syntax problem that I am forgetting. C dot find is not in string, print s. Okay. If C dot find of B is not equals C dot end of, I guess this should work. No, it will not work. It will not work. Wait 1 second. If no, bro, I'm a student in second year. By the way, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, Panther. Panther in the house. This is the function which I was talking about. B which is not, what was it? Okay. Which was find of C dot begin of comma C dot end of comma what, B, right? B, right? Yes, which is not equals C dot end of. So basically this function is doing work like if b, it will find b in this. If it is present, this function is used for if b is present in c, then it will print uh, if b is present, then we will just break it. Before adding b to b, what we will do is we'll add here, because if he has given a and the second string is also a, it will just pass the condition and it will break and just print zero iterations, right? For this test case I am talking. For this test case, string b and string c is same, right? So it will pass it. So there is no require of for loop, while loop running for it. So the iterations will be zero, right? So no need to run a loop. And I will take an integer here, naming it as d. D is equals to 0. What I will do now is, if b is increasing, I will increase d by 1. Yes, increase d by 1. And then what I will do, I will just see out d. I think it should work. This is the main thing in this. There is an error. I have not applied else condition, right? I think this is a mistake I have done. No. There is a mistake in this only, right? Wait once, I will check it. We are finding if B is present in C from start to end. If it is present, we are just breaking it. We are breaking while loop. We are breaking while loop, right? We are just breaking while loop. It should work, right? But there is something error. Yes, there is an error. Is there any error while taking an input? Scene is correct, string B, string C is correct. B in, we are just breaking the loop. Then we are printing out D, right? So return it. Okay. So we are checking character for it. So there is error in this line itself, because if not, then it should run perfectly. We have to find another way, I guess. We have to run a loop for it, I guess. B equals P if should I run it in Python and check it? Wait, I'll run in Python. I'll check it. If it works, then Fine range of A, we are getting oh guys, I did a mistake here. He is giving integer like two integer in this in here, right? We are not taking that. There are actually uh, two integers which he is giving, which we are not taking it. Int what will you E comma F, C in E and F, right? I think now it should work. It should work. It should work. If it doesn't work in this, then we will try. We'll try. No, it not work. Work हो जा भाई. I am from NI8, NIAT, NIAT, NIAT Mangalore. I am from NIT Mangalore, Karnataka. From I in range of A, B is equals to list of map of int int comma input of dot split of C is equals to input of D is equals to input of, and E is equals to 0 for no, while true if C is equals to D, then break it, else C is equals to C plus C. एंड अरे आप तो ऑलरेडी मैथ्स में अच्छे होंगे, तो आप तो इजीली एक्सपर्ट बन जाओगे. नो आई एम नॉट bro. I told, and I did not told NIT, I told NIAT. You are mistaking my college name. Hi trader, welcome to the stream after a long time. C is equals to C plus C, and no, if and no, I just shifted. I was sitting there, I shifted some 90 degrees here. This was cupboard, right? This was having a nice background for the stream, so I thought I can sit here. Print E. No, I am not from NIT. That's why I told my college name 3 to 4 times there. And there more nakai. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Okay. My college has just started, which uh, we are the first batch for our college, bro. We are the first batch for our college. But there is a main campus in Hyderabad. The first campus, the first batch is in third year. So in our campus, we are the first batch who are finished, which we finished our first year. So in the main campus, they are in the third year. Now they are going for the fourth year. We have not. It's so what is the average package in our campus will let that will start from us. Yes, DP Dharmendra Pradhan resigned today. What's your opinion? So he should have resigned earlier, right? Okay. If D in C or D in C or C equals D, then we will break. Nak, yes, we are getting our output. You with BJP or CJP? My father is absolutely BJP now. What I said yesterday morning was, if the government is just my opinion, when I told my father, if the government continues without reacting to the protest which is happening in Delhi, right? If the government keeps without reacting, then it is very difficult for them to come for the next term. I told for my father, right? You know what my father said? He's a pro BJP, right? He's a pro BJP. What he told that, why are you talking against BJP? You're talking about Modi, huh? How can you say that? I was shocked by seeing that. If I say anything, if my father sees, right, खत्म है game, खत्म मेरा. We are getting our output. We will check for everything here. Okay, we got our dad. We can't. Where were we? We got two, and we should have get five, right? We should have get five. So there is a output which is 1, which should be minus 1. So we have to fix it. Hmm. BABB. BABB. BBB. So for this, where is that? BABB, right? What is the output here? BBB. BA. So output is BBB. BBB. BABB plus BABB. So we get here BBB, right? Now we can get here also, right? So why is he has he given? Okay, if this is not possible, it is minus 1. Okay, okay, okay. Once again, once again. So the length also of the string, okay, BABB, BABB can be written as BB. So here we can get our string, right? BBB. So BA, B is what is given. So we have to find BBB, right? So by adding BA, BB, and again BA, BB, we get here, right? BA, BB, BB, BB. So why is it not possible? What is the question he has given? Yes, we are adding the same. After what minimum number of string S, string S will appear as a substring. A substring is called continuous segment of it. Okay, we can get this right. We can get, so there is an error right. Yes. So chat, we are doing something wrong in this. So what the question is telling us is, he has given us this, we can add it, and we have to find this. So what we will do, BA, BB, right? We will add again BA, BB, we get BA, BB, BA, BB, we got here, right? So why is it not printing? After how many iterations we are getting? After one iterations, so we can write it one, and again BA, BB, we are getting again BBB. So we are getting our output. Given a string x of length n, given a string x of length n and a string s of length m consisting of lowercase Latin letters, you can apply any number of operations to the string. In one operation, you append the current value of x to end of x. Latin letters, you can apply any number of operations to the string 9 or in one operations you append the current value of x to the end of string x. Note that the value of x will change after this. Okay, let it change. For example, if x equals aba, then after operations x will change as follows: aba to aba, so on. After what minimum number of operations s will appear in x as substring. S will appear in X as a substring. A substring of a string is defined as contiguous segment of it. Force, 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 force. So it should be continuous, right? Continuous. Force, 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 without any gap. Force, force. We are, if we are getting BBB, then again BBB, BBB, BBB. So if I make a set of it, then it should contain, then both of them should contain only one element. I guess if it is containing 5 element, right? So whatever it may be, it is bk, kb, so it is having continuous, right? Tf, no, it is no need, because this has broken the test case that I was thinking, right? This test case has broken. Tf, definitely. 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1. So I think why chat, I think there is an error like D in C or C equals D. Break it. Once we will also print here D chat. We will also print D here to just check what we will print, right? Oh yeah. What is wrong in this? So chat, did you get, or is anybody solving this? I think Muhammad Shahid is solving this. Abe, 4 and 3. D bro, D. I'm asking D. ಹೋಗ್ಲೇ ಯಾವ ಬರೀತಾನೆ B B B B B B. So in D itself, it's increasing or what? If D in C and again in next iteration, it should print, right? Wait, or this. Once we'll check hint, right? Wait, I will check. For a long time, I have not saw the where were we? Yeah, we were here, right? How does doubling affect string length? It double the string up to 5 times. Check each. Okay. Double the string each. What did he say? Double the string up to 5 times and check each. Okay, the length is always less than 25, right? Okay. And both of the length are. Okay, I will check it 5 times 5. So he has given. We will once check it. What I will do is C equals to C times 5, and if D in ಮುಷಿಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾನ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕೋಂಗ if D in C ನೋಡಾಕತ್ತಾನ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಾಕತ್ತಾನ is equals to if D in C then we will okay iteration it took right 5 times we multiplied with each other chung, 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 chung. Okay. Hi Butter Amulji, what's up? You came with a different account now. Oh nice. You are the 10th problem. Yeah, we are at the same difference today also. We are coming near you. We are at the 7th problem today. Uh, yes. Butter Amulji, you are going very fast I guess. No, you are going with the same pace. We have to increase our speed to reach you now. Oh, this problem looks easy in first, but it takes for yes. I solved 4 test cases now. It's taking me some time. I looked at the hint. Now I'm trying. By the way, how is your question today? Is it easy than this or it's tricky? How much did you first problem? So today's problem, I think you are asking today's problem. In today's problem, it was very easy. It was about a string problem to count it. Where is the index of hash present in that? I will show you after this. So that was not from CP-31. This that was just another easy question in that only. Afternoon I was sitting idle, right? I thought I can solve one question. I saw it and I solved it. So this is first question today from CP-31. Now for problem how much time? The question is hard. 40-50 minutes I guess. Otherwise I will ask Gemini. How many time I have spent on this now? Actually 50 minutes I have spent today. No bro, I am actually in my second year. I am actually in my second year. You are the second person today asking this, and I think you are the 10th person asking in my stream today. No, not today, but overall the stream. I am actually in my second year. I finished my first year's summer holidays. I am in my second year. I look very old, right? I look very old, right? I give around 1 hour 30 minutes per problem if question is hard. Yeah, at the beginning I used to do that, but Again, if I read 1 hour question, what I'll start doing is I again start reading the question and understand, and I used to blame myself that I have not read the question properly. So I used to read again question, and after 1 hour from zero I would start. So that is very frustrating. You have understood, you have reached somewhere in the problem, and you blame yourself. I have understood the question wrong from the beginning, and you start reading it from the beginning like you have not read it before. So what I'll do is, oh my god, okay, there it is. The fourth test case, it can be shown that it is impossible to obtain the desired as a substance. Yes, this is the substance. Yeah, I mean the time is I have solved and solving the problem. Okay, total you are including both of them. That's good. Yeah, 1.5 hour is a decent time that we can give for it. We'll see the third hint also. By doubling x, check yourself. I did that only, right? What we did is, no, because while submitting, I what I do is I select PyPy 3. I will not select Python, I will select PyPy 3. Now I am trying to do in C++ itself, because C++ is standard, right? We should use that only. I But at the beginning I was doing with this only, but in finding the uh, substring in the larger string, I was not getting the function for it. So I thought I can do in this, but the question is actually different in this here itself. While submitting, I use PyPy 3 as a language there. So it's it's actually Python, but it is a faster version, I guess. I searched in Google. It said we can submit in PyPy 3. We will not get TLE in that. Else D in C or C equals D. Else okay. Yes, I am doing CS. I think it should work now. Yeah, right. Uh, okay, bye, 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 bro. Why string can't be multiplied? Okay, we are getting one. Bro, C is already used as input. Ah, yes, we have to update it, right? So I am increasing. Here he has given, right? I am doing this. I am updating C here. Ah, which language do you use, Butter, to solve these CP questions? Short by doubling X. Check if S is substring using I were true. Oh, nice, nice, nice. You are using the standard version for me. Hi, welcome to the stream. How should I pronounce your name, bro? Yumti Army. Am I correct? Am I correct? I think there is something that I am missing in this in this. If not, I am getting it. But if it is wrong, I am missing in that in -1. Defined as continuous segment of int. 1 second, chat. 1 second. Yeah, this segment. I think we should in the last there is a error that we are not getting it. I think I will just see the answer. ಅರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ನು. They have done a very long code here. I checked this only, right? Yeah, they have done a very long code here. What I'll do is we use our standard method here. Yesterday, I think we solved without using any this one. It's going good, right? Stream is going well. What's wrong with your code? Incorrect operation. You enter t plus if d in C. If d in C, which did I mention or here? Yes, I have mentioned d in C, which counts the loop step index, not the actual number of the. If d in C is true at very start operation, run E1 instead of C. Okay. Sorry. Line range. Okay. If D and C, print E font is true and break. Why did I not think like this? What he has changed is simple. He has took this. The range is he has took 6 here. Okay, he is printing here. Wait 1 second. We have to remove this. He is printing E here and printing it as. So I think if the loop itself is not, if condition has not even touched, then it will always be false, right? So f is equals to false. He has given at the starting, and he is breaking. Before breaking, he has set f as true. Now so this is capital F, right? ये वाला F नहीं भाई, and we break it. Then what we do is, then we increment C is equals to C plus, yeah, we need this to double our string, and then we increment E plus equals 1, and then we run another loop. If F, yeah, if not F, then print -1. If it is true means if, false if it is F is true, then it will print -1, means if F not F means if F if false, then it will print -1. Then we'll check our output here. Wait one second. We'll check our output now, which was 143 BABB and BBB. It's not giving me the output stat, so I have to remove this, I guess. It's not giving the output chat. It's not giving the output. Sorry, I think that was the error. It will not work, chat. It will not work. I think to check again. भाई ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೀನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದೆ. ಐದನೇ, 1 2 3 4 ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು ಅದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲಾರ್ದು? ಎ ಬಿ ಎ ಓಕೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ What is output? 3 plus 5. 3 and 5. A B A B A B A. Yes, we got it. So then I was checking for the wrong test case and I saw the answer, right? Arey baap re. I should have not done this. I was checking for the wrong test case. 1811 1881 A. Hi. Yes, accepted. So I will see this for C++, where it is c dot find of. Wait, I'll just empty everything here which is there. B dot A, right? Okay. To find anything in the string, we have to use this then. I got it. Huh. Chat, we have submitted in the. Okay, we will move to our next question, chat. How much does Deutona cost? Deutona cost. We define an integer to be the most common on our subsegment. On a subsegment, 1 second. You can see me correctly, right? Yes. We define an integer to be the most common subsegment if its number. We define an integer to be the most common subsequent subsegment if its number of occurrence on that subsegment is larger than the number of occurrence of any other integer in that segment. So chat, I was thinking that why don't I try this question in C++ because I have to shift to C++, right? I should leave Python now. So what I will do is I will just write the code of whatever I have done here. Eh, because I will not do this afterwards, right? So I have to do it now only. uh, yes, we are getting input, right? Let me see. Borrowed Nilesh. Yeah, thank you, brother. Thank you. Welcome to the stream, and also please consider subscribing. C in B and C. B and C. Okay, there are two inputs, right, in that. So we will then take string x. Okay, string x. C in x and string n and C in n. So what we'll do is, what we will do now, we'll take an int is equals to 0 and string booleaf equals to false. What we will do is, for int j is equals to 0 and j less than 6, j plus plus, if did c dot find of, we are printing x inside of n, right? So d is n dot find of, we are finding d in c, right? So we have to use c dot find n. Find n not equals string npos, then is x. F, yeah, f equals, then we will just see out e, and f equals true, and we will break it, right? We will break it. Else what we do is, we increment c equals c plus c, and we increment e by 1. If not f, then c out -1. I think it should work. Yes, we'll just try for one test case now. And then muna kai. Ooh. Why don't we change this here? We have did the same thing, right? Okay, we have did the same thing here. N dot find of so we are doing the same thing right here. uh, we're taking in as and then we are learning a loop here, and we're taking b, and we are taking c and d, and then we are taking in d, we are taking boolean ff, and for int j is as s, we are taking that if x dot find is not equal to string and pos, and we are counting it, and we are taking s, and then we are breaking it, and then okay, okay, there is no else, there is no else. Am I bad? Now I think it will run. I added this, added that in else condition. I added that in else condition chat. Huh, huh, huh. Wait, I'll just ask it what's wrong in this. We fixed it, right? It's not working. One small error. Oh my god. Oh my god. This I got the mistake chat. The mistake what I have done here is instead of this, instead X. Simple chat. Simple. Simple. I was adding C plus C plus. We got it. We got it. We got it. I finally wrote that in C plus plus. What I was doing here was, here I took it as C, right? I am writing here it is also C, but I have took that string as X, so I should add X plus X, right? I am adding here C plus C, so that was the mistake that I was doing here. So we finally got it. We got it working. Yes, we got it working. Yeah, X plus X, right? I am adding here C plus C. So that was the mistake that I was doing here. So we finally got it. We got it working. Stream. Yes, we got it working. Yeah, let's go. ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಿದೆಪ್ಪ Python and C++. I wrote in both of them. Okay, chat. Let's pause video. ಅವಲೆ ತಡಿಪ ಪಾಸ್ ಐತೆ ಓಲೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಐತೆ ಈಗ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಶಾದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಶಾದೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದ ಅವನು मधहबी ठाकुर मिश्रा भैया क्या कर रहे हो we are solving should I answer you directly we are solving questions from CP no in Codeforces ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲವ do you still remember him bro don't call him he might get angry only I have the right to call him like that and also Panther Madhabi Thakur Mishra, welcome to the stream and also please consider subscribing to the channel. This is a ritual for every subscriber, no, every viewer that comes first to our stream. How much does a deodorant cost? Solomon, I am one of you. Yeah, you are one of us. Then what's your real name, bro? ಚಿರೇ ನಮ್ದ್ರಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ದೋಸ್ತ್ಲಿ ಅವ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ ಮಜಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಾತ ನಮ್ ಕೂಡ Trader, do you know Kannada? Trader, do you know Kannada? Because I was not able to guess your name right that day. I was not able to guess your name that day, right? Do you know Kannada Trader? Do you speak? You know, NG Trader, NG Trader. Chat 2 minutes. I will come in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Hello, 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 hello. Idli ravage, idli ravad packet, huh? What is this name, bro? It is very interesting, right? Interesting name. By the way, welcome to the chat. Sorry, welcome to the stream. And if you are first for our stream, then please consider subscribing and also washroom, washroom. Uh, I am. Which year are you studying? I am. I finished first year. I am actually. I have to go to college, uh, but the college have not yet started. They will start on August 3rd. I will go for second year now. Ah, nice, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Where are you from? The nine. Daytona cost. Okay. Let's solve this question now. We define an integer to be the most common. We define an integer to be the most common on a subsequent. Is it? What is your name, bro? What is your name? It is sounding Gadag. Out of popped in my feed and you look similar. Do I? So what's your name? I think I might have seen you too, right? If you tell your name, I might guess. I might guess. We define an integer to be the most common. Raghav. Raghav, Raghav, Raghav. No, but it is true that I am from Gadag. But which year are you? Are you engineering? Are you doing engineering? Or are you from other field? Or Raghav? I think I have not seen you, but I might have seen you, but I don't know your name. It might be like that. I might have seen you, but I don't remember. Okay, okay, carry on. Okay. Thank you for subscribing, by the way, Raghav. We define an integer to be the most common on a subsegment if its number of occurrence on that subsegment. Continue solving, we'll meet at the end. The stream. My friend told that he want to play chess with me. Now it is 11, right? I think after solving this problem, uh, like in 1 hour, I might end it. In 1 hour. From now, it might take 1 hour to end it. How much does a Daytona cost? We define an integer to be the most common on a subsegment if its number of occurrence on that subsegment is larger than the number of occurrence of any other integer in that subsegment. A subsegment. We define an integer to be the most common on subsegment if its number of occurrence on that subsegment is okay. Okay. Nobody. MD Shahid Harlikeri in the house. Welcome to the stream, Shahid. Shahid ರಾಘವ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರ ಗೊತ್ತೇನ್ಲೇ ನಿಂಗ? ಅರೇ ಶಾಹಿದ್ ಗೊತ್ತ ನಿಂಗ? ಶಾದ ಯು ಶೋ ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಶಾದ ನಿಂಗೆ ಯಾರ ಮುಷೇನ್ ಆತಾರ ನೋಡ್ಲಿ. We define an integer to be the most common. ಕಾಣತೈತಿ ಈಗ, ಕಾಣತೈತಿ. You are late for the stream, Shahid. Why? ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡು ಸಾಕು, ಬಾಕಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. ಈಸ್ ಬಸ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರಾಘವ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೆಸರು. ನೋ ರಾಘವ್ ಅಂತ. If we define an integer to be the most common on subsegment if its number of occurrence on the subsegment. Panther 39, back to the stream. If its number of occurrence on that subsegment is larger than the number of occurrence of any other integer in that subsegment, a subsegment of array is consecutive segment of elements in array. Output nodadadi modal 4 appear 2 times, 1 appears 1 time, 1 appears 1 adds our play, 3 appears 1 time, 5 4. Okay, Murad. First case we need to check if there's a segment where the most common element is 1 and 4, right? This means 4 is the most common element in the segment of, okay, in the segment of 2 comma 5. 3 appears 1 time, 4 appears 2 times. We define integer to be most common on the subsegment if its number of occurrence on that subsegment is larger than the number of occurrence on any other integer in that subsegment. A subsegment of an array is a consecutive segment of elements in the array A. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಯಾರನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಯಾನಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡೀನಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ. ನೋಡೀನಿ ಇವನ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ. We define an integer to be the most common and of an element if its number of occurrence on that subsegment. If its number of occurrence on that subsegment. Mostly junior ಇರ್ಬೋದ್ಲಿ ಶಾಯದ್ ಅವ. If its number of occurrence on that subsegment. The size of 1. Can we just check if that number exists in array or not? I will just first figure out what should I do, then I will check it. We define an integer to be the most common. ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಲೇ, ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ ಮಗನ, ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ. ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If its number of occurrence on that subsegment is larger than the number of occurrence of any other integer. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸಂತೋಷ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವನು ಕರಿತಾನೆ ನಿಂಗೆ. Larger than number of occurrence of any other integer in that subsegment. Okay. 4341. Okay, okay. Trader boss, sorry for your loss of time. You are a very strict subscriber in my list, right? 41234444 from 32. So given an array A of size n and integer k, determine if there exists a non-empty segment of where k is most common element. Okay, the k is most common element. Okay, I was not reading the whole question. Sorry for my own mistake. Each test case, the number of testers, the describes the test cases for. Okay, okay, I got it now. I got it now. I got it now. So we can start where present array and at the least one. Okay, we at the first one it start from 2 till 5, 2 till 5, and sure. Non-empty segment A where k is most common element. So 1 is not present and 6 is not present, and if it is present in that array then yeah, it's obviously printing it, right? Then we will just write it. I will write it in C++ now. Hmm. Yes, I will try to do that. If without checking, then can I try it in Python? Because there are some issues with me. Wait. Okay, I will not check. Okay, I will not check. Hmm. Vector int d. Okay, then I will try this only. Now we have to, if what, d dot find of, which is that c, right, is not equals, what do we have to say, array or vector? Array, I am not aware about this, so the function which I fail. I'll try now. I'll try now. See how I'll try. I'm not taking any risk. That's why I'm applying for loop now. Uh, in one go, I have to submit it, right? Okay, let's take f is equals to 0. What will do for auto j index d, if can ask for a hint. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. How can I ask a hint for you? I'll just ask your name. खाली धीमे see out, see out. I think this should work. So what I am doing now is taking an integer n for number of test cases. I am taking it as n, and what I am doing is I am running it as a loop, and I am taking 5 and 4. The first test case here, b and c I am taking input, and then I am taking it input correctly, and I am taking an vector d and placing every, I am taking integer e and taking it c in and pushing back it to vector d. And now what I am doing is b is correct, right? Number of length is correct, and if int f is equals to 0 for auto j in D. What I am doing here is if j is equals c, which is 4. If it is 4, then it is printing out c, we're printing out s and breaking the loop, and a code runs. Okay, okay, okay. But okay, yeah, I'm not taking risk. I'm not taking risk. Uh, if j is equals 0, c out s and break l. We are increasing ff. If it is increasing 1, what I'm telling. Okay, I think I'll justify. ಅದ ಮಾಡಾದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ತಡಿ ಇದು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಾದೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು if c is present in this vector, then it is printing s. If it is not, then if it is not, ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. No, if it is present, yester once, if it is present, at least it will be having some subarray, right? I think it will be having. Okay. ಲೇವ ತನಿಷ್ಕ್ ಅದಾನ ಅನ್ಸತ್ಲೆ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ತನಿಷ್ಕ್ ನೋಡಿವ. ಓಕೆ, int f is equals to 0 for auto j index D. ತನಿಷ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲೆ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ತನಿಷ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿವ. ಕುನಾಲ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಲೇ, ಕುನಾಲ್ ಡೌಟ್. int f is equal to 0. ತಡಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಪೆನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೂಪ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನಾರ ಎಫ್ 0 ಐತಿ ಈಗ. ಆಟೋ ಜೆ ಇನ್ ಡಿ, ಆಟೋ ಜೆ ಇನ್ ಡಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೈತಿ ಈಗ. ಇಫ್ ಸಿ ಜೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿ, ಸಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತ. ಫೋರ್ ಏನಾರ ಇದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಹೆದ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. I think it's correct. The question, the code which I have written is correct, but let me verify it. If j equals c, c j in error. Oh, okay, okay. Earlier. If j equals c ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ c out s ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. If I don't get the last explain. Okay. What I am doing is, if j is equal to bro solve Rohan Gaming Tech, bro solve trapping rainwater on lit code. Bro, our JP Morgan bro has given a question for us to solve without using any test cases, just by, no, without trying it. We am trying to solve it. But if you are new to the stream, subscribe to our channel, we'll try to solve it. Okay, by the way, welcome to the stream. Okay, you told that explain f is equals to 0, right? So what I'm doing is I'll take f is equals to 0, and I'll check it. If j equals c, then we will see out yes and we will break it. So now, so if it is not present in, if let's assume we are having 5 and 5 4 1 4 3 4 1, we are checking for 4, right? If 4 is present in, uh, if okay, then this should be inside this only, right? I think yes. If j is equals to c, then we have to print c out, and then just yes, and we should increase. Okay, if 4 is not present in, I should have put the f inside, right? Even if it is, okay. I think it is correct now. I think it is correct now. I guess it is correct now. I hope it is correct. Now what I am doing is, let's assume there is no 4 in the array. Let's take 1 3 3 3 1. What we will do is we check, we don't increase f is always be 0, right? I think it should work now. I will submit it. Bro. Huh. Input taking correct. I think it is correct. We are taking b and c as correct. C in vector d is correct. For int j equals 0, j less than b, j plus plus int e, c d, we are pushing it to d, and then we are checking it. I think it is correct. I think it is correct. Or should I just do this? Bro, if you are trader bro, you can't do this in this, right? You just leave it as it is. Or okay, what we will do is the index. Now it is correct, I guess. No, the thing here it is, we should not test in our compiler. We have to just submit it once and it should accept it directly. Trader bro, I think it is correct now. It's correct, right? I messed up earlier, right? I think it was also correct. I will just submit it now. 1878A. Yes. अरे सबमिट हो जा भाई. It's in queue. Trader bro, are you there? Varun Maheshwari 1489. Hello Varun, welcome to the stream. Submit ಆಗ್ಲಿಯಪ್ಪ. You have to initialize the vector D with size B. It's okay, right? We it's not necessary. I have did previously questions. I have not initialized with anything. Array. Sorry, Trade bro. I am okay. We will check whether Rohan is correct or not. If we get answer, then it is good for us only, right? Yes, we will try. Lishada nagbale marya. He is definitely Tanishk. Tanishk no pix Tanishk 98 A. 1898 ಏನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಬೇರೆದಾಗಿ. ಐ ಪುಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ನೌ ಎಸ್ ಸಾರಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೋಡ್? 1878. ಓಕೆ 1878. 1878 A. ಶಾದೆ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಅಂತ? ರೋಹನ್ ಬ್ರೋ. It's okay. It's my mistake. Okay. What I'll do now is you want trader, I will block you now. No, na. I'm leaving just because you are my friend. ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Wait, I'll try it then. ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಅಂತಾನವ, ಮಾತಾಡಕತ್ತಾನವ. ತಡಿ, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಹೊಡಿದ, ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡಿತೇನೆ ತಡಿ ಅವಂಗ. ಸರಳ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಚಲೋ ಆತಿಗೆ. ಹೋಲ್ ಬಿಡು, ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅವ ವರುಣಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಲಿ ಅವ ಎಲ್ಲೋತದ ಒಂದು ಕಮೆಂಟ್. ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಅವ ಇದು ಅನ್ಪ ಗದಗ್. ಅವ ಗದಗ್ದವಲ್ಪ ಯಾರಲ್ಲವ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೈತಿ. ರಾಘವ್ ಅಂತ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು. ಅವನು then take respect, then give respect. If I speak bad words, I will get banned, bro. Please, please don't make me speak bad words. There were only selected people who calls me Mushile. He's one of our close friends. ಅವ ತನಿಷ್ಕ್ ಅದಾನ, ತನ್ನೇ ಇದ್ನಂದ್ರ ನಾವು ಅವಂಗ ತನ್ಯಾಗ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನ, ಯಾರೋ ಅದಾರ ಲೇಟ್ ರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತಂದ. ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೀ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗೆ ನಕ್ಕೊಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದ ಮಗ ಅವ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅವನೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನೋನ ಲೇ ಮತ್ತು ಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ತನಿಷ್ಕ್ ಅದಾನ್ಲೇ, ತನಿಷ್ಕ್ ಅದಾನ. ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋನ್ ತಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರನ್ಪ ತಿಲ್ಲೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ತಿಲ್ಲೆ ಏನು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಾನ, ಈ ಅನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೇ. ನಂದು C++ದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಜಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿಯಾದೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪೈಥಾನ್ದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಟಕ್ಕನ ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ದೆ. ತಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪೈಥಾನ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಲೆ, ಇದು ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ ಬ್ರೋ, what I was saying is, ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಬೈದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ. ಸಾರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಏನೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಲೋ ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಪ್ಪ, ನಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಸರ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡು. ರನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎರರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲೇ. ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ರನ್ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಈಗ ಬಂತು. ಉಫ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಸೇಮು ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಐತ್ಲಿ ಅದು. अच्छा, ಅದ್ರಾಗಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ನೋ ಬಂದು ಬಂದಲ್ಲ. 1 1878. We solved it. Yes, solved out. We solved it. Let's go. ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ ಏನಾರ ಬಂದಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ. ಅದೀಶ್ ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನ ಅದಿ मेडी भट्टी भाई एआई को देखकर अब कोडिंग का मन नहीं करता. But it is necessary, right? We should still code. By the way, welcome to the stream. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. And also, yeah bro, so Shahid, what do you think who is trader is? We have officially solved 3 problems today. I have solved 3 problems today. So what do you think who is trader 21? Either he is Tanishq. I am 100% sure he is Tanishq. Bro, which is most secure field in coding? We are also exploring, bro. We are just in our college, right? We still don't know. We are still exploring. We don't know yet. Some people say do DSA, some people tell do what they say. So most of them say like do DSA and all stuff in our college right now. So that's why we are doing CP. ಇದು ಮುಗೀತಲ್ಲ ಶಾದೆ, ಇದು ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕೋಣಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡೇಟಾನ ಡೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. Yes, we solved this question today. ಉಫ್ ಉಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಬರಾತೈತಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಶಾಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂಟೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು. ಸೀದಾ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಆಗತ್ತ ನೀವ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡಿದಾನೆ. ದೇಶಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದೇನೈತಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಲೆ ಬದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Shahid, should we solve the next problem or just play chess? Shahid, Muhammad Shahid, ನಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲೇ ನಾರ ಮೂರು ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಈಗ. Love you bro, stay blessed. Love from Pakistan. Pakistan don't hate Indians. Your politics and media showed bad image of us. Yeah, we still support our media, bro. If you are saying like this, then we should support our media. Shahid, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೀವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ನಮ್ಗೆ. I think Shahid is not responding here. Hi, Fruity Libbam. Welcome to the stream. If you are new, you can subscribe. Consider subscribing. Hmm. N teams in football tournament. Each pair of teams match up once after every match. Guys, I think we can do this tomorrow. I have already solved. I have all shock ಹೊಡಿತಿದೆ. I think we can solve this question tomorrow, right? Because I have already solved 3 questions today. I thought to play chess now, but my friend is not responding. I think he went to sleep, I guess, or he might be busy. He might be busy. Let's wait some minutes. Let's check whether he is there or not. I think it's good to end now, right? It's almost 2 hours. It's almost 2 hours, right? Yes. I think we might end. Let me ask my friend whether he is still alive or not. One second, one second, one second. I think we can end here, right? We can end our stream right now. No, bro, we were just solving question from Codeforces, and we did some questions today, and that's it. We were preparing. We were just practicing some questions here. One second. There is nothing to do. Yeah, I'll end the stream. Let me check. I think I might ask, but wait, guys. I will ask him. I will ask him. Be in the stream. Yeah, I think we might end the stream now. Yeah, we will end the stream right now, guys. Bye. Thank you for being till the end, and we will be back with a new stream tomorrow at the same time. And yeah, if you are new, please consider subscribing